Kombucha is a fermented tea drink that people have been drinking for thousands of years. With its popularity on the rise, my friends at Seattle Kombucha Company gave me some samples of their latest batch to see what the people of Seattle think of this fizzy fermented beverage. Hey guys, would you like to try some kombucha?
Sure.
I've never had kombucha before.
Really? This is your first time?
Yeah.
So this is from the Seattle Kombucha Company.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
This is peach, and this one is strawberry, and I would love for you guys to taste it and tell me what you think.
Not bad.
Yeah?
It's good.
It's a little bit tart. You can definitely taste the peach though, which is nice. A little bit sour too.
I would describe it as fruity. There's like a little bit of fermentation in there, but not too much. It's good.
Yeah.
Very refreshing, like you said.
Yeah. Whoa. He's going for it.
I wasn't thinking they would like it.
So does that mean that you like it? You drained the cup?
Slightly sweet. There's light carbonation and like I don't know. Tastes like a fairly solid kombucha. So,
Yeah.
Yeah, and like real strawberries.
Yeah, huh?
Not like
real strawberries.
Right.
Yeah, definitely tastes real strawberry.
You look in the camera. What do you think?
What do you think?
Yum.
Yum.